We are at Jigar Palace Boat House in Kashmir. भाई साहब आपका नाम भी बता दो।
फयाज भाई।
फयाज भाई भी इधर ही है इंशाल्लाह। Now I am entering into the boat house. This is Jigar Palace Boat House at Kashmir, Dal Lake. Now I am entering into the boat house. We have stayed here on 2nd of March 2022. You can see the wood carvings over here. Beautiful wood carvings. Now I'm going inside. Now this is the drawing room area of the boat house. Different kind of you can see Kajal Chatterjee is on breakfast. The beautiful wood carvings. Babu and Dia is also available over here. We're packing our luggage.
Yep.
Now I'm going inside. This is the entry door. It's consisting of total 5 rooms. This is the kitchen area. And all the paneling in the boards also you can see. Now Kushi is coming. This is our one of the rooms.
We are a bit
Hey,
messy.
Swagata is here.
Chilled.
You can see the beautiful rooms and the panels in the wood carvings.
It's all in Devda roots. The carvings are really awesome. Bathroom.
This is the bathroom.
It's amazing inside the houseboat.
I'm going to the other rooms. Here having one more room. You can see the special room of this boat house. This is a honeymoon palace room. Beautiful wood carvings. This is dressing place. You can see. Now I'm going outside from this room. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.